video, baby. I thought that video ended here.
Oh, yeah, I'm back.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel,
Los Ends.
In this video, we will be doing blindfolded slime challenge. Blindfolded slime challenge.
Okay, guys. My mom is gonna put the ingredients right here, and we're gonna have our blindfolds on, and we're gonna choose one. My mom is gonna help us, and let's see who gets the best one. Let's get started.
And we want you to comment down below whose slimes is the best, and please like this video and subscribe. Watch to the end because we want to see whose slime is the best, right? Okay, let's get started. Blindfolds on!
Those?
Okay guys, so we're gonna choose some random ingredients. So, okay. I got a feeling this is not, wait, is that the detergent? Or the what is this?
Okay, I got one.
I want,
Hey, yeah, all up on me.
is that the, you can't get, it's like,
Okay, I don't know what color.
I don't know how many to get.
Okay, is this the ball? Yeah, is the inside of the ball?
I got a feeling.
Okay.
Oh, I got a feeling that this is like cheating. I got a feeling. I have that feeling that he's like, what is he doing? Like he's gathering all the glues. Like I felt his hands, like he got all the glues. Like they're mine. I'm cheating. They're mine. I want all the green and blue, or I want all the red and pinks and the white.
No, don't take the pink one.
I don't know. What
Okay, I think I got it all out.
I think I got red or something. Like I'm going with a greenish slime.
Okay. Where's the things at?
I got a feeling this is not gonna be good. Not at all. Ow! My arm!
Oh, I thought I hit you.
No, you didn't. Oh, it's just my bone. It hurts.
What is this?
I wonder what slime I'm gonna get. This seems to be very, very, very mysterious. Mysteriously funny. I wanna know what color this is. Like I have a feeling.
Did
this
I make
isn't
it in the
good.
bowl? Yeah, I did.
I think I did. Is there any more? What's next? Is this the only glue left?
The only what?
Glue. I don't know.
I just
Never mind.
got two glues in my bowl.
Wait, I wanna see. But I just can't. I got a feeling there's more slime. Or more glues. What is this?
And something new I found at the store, like they said it's for slime.
They did?
There's a new one. There's a big,
Are you sure?
like
It
big,
doesn't feel.
Hey,
no, like big,
It doesn't feel
Glue.
like a glue bottle.
What is this?
What is this?
Is this already? Is it empty?
Oh, where's my bowl?
Whatever.
I'm just gonna put one drop. I'm not gonna put the whole glue bottle.
Hey, nothing is coming out.
Let me see. Any more glues out here? No. Oh, I found one. That was Maria's, I think.
you have one more in front of you, Maria.
Huh?
You have one in front of you.
Hey, can
The
you
big,
put more ingredients?
the new one.
Mommy, can you
Hey, I
put
don't
more?
know nothing.
Can you put
Yeah,
more
just in front.
ingredients?
Oh, what is this?
Mommy, can you put more
I'm already open for you to help you.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me just 1 second. You have glitters?
I got a bad feeling about this.
Did it go in the bowl?
Maria, you have one in front of you.
Really?
Yeah, just that one, yeah.
What?
There's a new one, I'll tell you, like,
This is a new one? What color?
I don't know. It's like orange.
First,
Just do it.
Is this even in my bowl?
yeah, but first let me finish up with this one. Is this one done? No.
Wait, I need to get my
Yeah,
other
this one is
bottle.
done.
I left it on the table somewhere. me see. Yeah, that's it. That's it, I think.
Maria, you have one stack in front of you.
Where's the edge of the
Yeah.
table?
It's good.
Here? Okay. Well, this is really confusing, Bobby.
No, this put this more, Maria. Yeah, they could make really good. That's what they said. This is the new.
Okay, now where's the glitter?
Where to put
I
more?
want more something. I want something good. Something really, really good.
Oh, what is this? Oh, no,
I don't know, man.
Where's the glitters?
Slime's all about mess.
Is there glitter?
No! I'll just leave that in. Put more glue. Put more glue.
Is there
Put
glitter?
more glue. I think it's all the way on that side because I never felt nothing over here. Like, what is it?
Yo no tenía eso.
Where's the glitter?
Ma, yo no tenía eso.
No. I don't want no more glue. I want glitter.
I want something good.
I think I don't know.
Because I got a really bad feeling about this.
There's no glitter. Oh, I found one.
They're mine.
I'm gonna start mixing my
They're
colors up.
mine.
What? Who got all
You're
the
cheating!
glitter?
You're cheating! Are you cheating? Something's cheating! Comment down below right now if he's cheating! Cheater.
Who got all the glitter? It's
Something!
empty.
There's something, give it!
Yes.
Hey, no, you gotta give us some too! Okay.
You got
More
some
glitter? Is that glitter? What was it?
Somebody's getting it all.
I need some blue. I need some
No!
Did he just say some blue?
He's cheating! He's cheating! You're a cheater! You big old fat cheater!
You had some blue in front of.
I got a bad feeling about this one because that last ingredient that I put in didn't really stink. Didn't feel like glue either.
Oh!
Oh gosh. I got a feeling.
You got
this
some
is
blue
gonna
in front
be
of you, Maria.
bad.
Relax.
Is there any glue? Any more glue?
Did it win in my bowl? Yeah, it did.
No, I don't want that.
What is it?
Because I got a feeling it's something bad. I already smell it. What is that? What is that? Is that from the Tide? It feels like that glue bottle that we bought the last day at Walmart.
Which one?
This. Feel it.
Oh. I want some.
Here. Where's your bowl?
No, I'm gonna put it in.
No, it's mine because I chose it first. I don't even know what it is, but oh, it's sticky.
Okay.
It's sticky, so I got a feeling this is good. Okay, all right.
Is there something else?
Okay,
I think.
all right, all right. All right.
Okay. Oh, I saw some more things.
Oh, this is gonna be really good.
This
This is gonna be good. Hey, Mom, if we get this, whatever this is, do we have to put the whole thing in or just a little bit?
I don't know. It's up on you. Give time to Maria.
You want some?
What is it? Glue?
I don't know.
Sure,
It looks.
pour it in. Pour some in.
Is this your bowl?
Wait.
I,
Yeah, this is the end of the bowl.
okay. Then I put it on you.
Yeah.
I'll pour the rest in mine.
How about Santiago?
Yeah, put some
No,
in Santi.
you cheater. Okay.
Hey, where's
Okay.
the glue?
Santi, where's your bowl? Where's your bowl? Give me your bowl so I can... okay.
Is this empty?
Where's my bowl?
Whatever.
I'm just gonna put one drop. I'm not gonna put the whole glue bottle.
Hey, nothing is coming out.
Let me see. Any more glues out here? No. Oh, I found one.
That was Maria's, I think.
You have one
you're
more in front of you, Maria.
Cheating?
Huh?
No.
You have one in front of you.
Hey, can
The
you
big,
put more ingredients?
the new one.
Mommy, can you
Hey, I
put
don't
more?
know nothing.
Can you put
Yeah,
more
just in front.
ingredients?
Oh, what is it?
Mommy, can you put more
I'm already open for you to help you.
Yeah.
Yeah, give him just 1 second. You have glitters?
I got a bad feeling about this.
Did it go in the bowl?
Maria, you have one in front of you.
Really?
Yeah, just that one, yeah.
What?
There's a new one, I'll tell you, like,
This is a new one?
Mm-hmm.
What color?
I don't know. It's like orange.
First,
Just do it.
Is this even in my bowl?
yeah, but first let me finish up with this one. Is this one done? No.
Wait, I need to get my
Yeah,
other
this one is
bottle.
done.
I left it on the table somewhere. Is this it? Let me see. Yeah, that's it. That's it, I think.
Maria, you have one stacked in front of you.
Where's the edge of the
Yeah.
table?
Just do it.
Here? Okay. Well, this is really confusing, Bobby.
No, this just put more, Maria. Yeah, they could make really good. That's what they said. This is the new.
Okay, now where's the glitter?
Why don't put
I
more?
want more something. I want something good. Something really, really good.
Oh, what is this? Oh, no, I don't think.
I don't know, man.
Where's the glitters?
Fine's all about mess.
Is there glitter?
No! I'll just leave that in. Put more glue. Put more glue.
Is there
Put
glitter?
more glue. I think it's all the way on that side because I never felt nothing over here. Like, what is it?
Yo no tenía eso.
Where's the glitter?
Ma, yo no tenía eso.
No. I don't want no more glue. I want glitter.
I want something good.
I'm thinking. I don't know.
Because I got a really bad feeling about this.
There's no glitter. Oh, I found one.
They're mine.
I'm going to start mixing my
They're
colors up.
mine.
What? Who got all
You're
the glitter?
cheating! You're cheating! Are you cheating? Something's cheating! Comment down below right now if he's cheating! Cheater.
Who got all the glitter? It's
Something!
empty.
There's something, give it!
Yes.
Hey, no, you gotta give us some too! Okay.
You got
More
some
glitter? Is that glitter? What was it?
Somebody's getting it all.
I need some blue. I need some
No!
blue.
Did he just say some blue?
He's cheating! He's cheating! You're a cheater! You big old fat cheater!
You got some blue in front of.
I got a bad feeling about this one because that last ingredient that I put in didn't really stink. Didn't feel like glue either.
Oh!
Oh gosh. I got a feeling
You got
this
some
is
blue
gonna
in
be
front of
bad.
you, Maria.
Bleh.
Relax.
Is there any glue? Any more glue?
Did it win in my bowl? Yeah, it did.
No, no, I don't want that.
What is it?
Because I got a feeling it's something bad. I already smelled it. What is that? What is that? Is that from the Tide? It feels like that glue bottle that we bought the last day at Walmart.
Which one?
This. Feel it.
Oh. I want some.
Here. Where's your bowl?
No, I'm gonna put it in.
No, it's mine because I chose it first. I don't even know what it is, but oh, it's sticky.
Okay.
It's sticky, so I got a feeling this is good. Okay, all right.
Is there something else?
Okay,
I think.
all right, all right, all right.
Okay. Oh, I put some more things.
Oh, this is gonna be really good. This is
This
gonna be good. Hey, Mom, if we get this, whatever this is, do we have to put the whole thing in or just a little bit?
I don't know. It's up on you. Give some to Maria.
You want some?
What is it? Glue?
I don't know.
Sure,
It
pour
looks.
it in. Pour some in.
Is this your bowl?
Wait.
I,
Yeah, this is the end of the bowl.
okay. Then I pour it on you.
Yeah.
I'll pour the rest in mine.
How about Santiago?
Yeah, put some
No,
in
you
Santi.
cheater. Okay.
Hey, where's
Okay.
the glue?
Santi, where's your bowl? Where's your bowl? Give me your bowl so I can put. I got a
Okay.
bad feeling about this.
Why?
This is gonna be bad.
I know, right? Oh.
Like I have.
Is this all the glitter? Juice.
Something smells bad. Okay, I'm gonna start activating mine. No, not you. Let me see. Not too much or not too little.
I need an activator.
Where's the activator?
I'm using it! Have patience.
Where's your
I
bowl?
got a bad horrible feeling. This gonna be like a
That's a lot.
purple? Is it gonna be like a purplish or something? I'm not really sure. Yeah, I got a feeling this is gonna be bad.
I have a feeling it's gonna be bad.
Your activate is right there, yo.
Yeah, we know. Where's my spoon?
I got mine.
I lost my spoon now.
Ha! Is it in your bowl in between all that glue that you
No, I just grabbed it.
Mine does too. It doesn't feel like glue.
Mine doesn't.
It feels like water.
Santi said his doesn't.
Cause he's cheating, obviously.
Mine is watery.
I need more of this.
Is there still some more glue?
I don't know. I want more glue, Mom.
I don't know. You just comment down below.
I want more glue.
Comment down below what happened.
What is this?
Because mine is not coming out good.
No.
Mine is all watery.
Yes.
Oh,
And it also stinks really bad. Hey, whatever or whoever put this thing in my slime or whatever it is, stop it now.
mine doesn't smell. Mine doesn't smell like glue.
Mine smells fine, but it obviously
Can I smell yours? Where's your
stinks.
bowl?
It's right here. I'm going for like a greenish or
You
purplish.
smell like perfume.
Hey, obviously I know something that wasn't good. Doesn't smell like perfume.
It
It's
smells
bad.
like noodles.
Noodles. Oh, you eating noodles over there? You might me some too.
You got some more noodles over there, something?
No.
Where's the? Okay.
Obviously, I need more time. Put some in here for me, please.
Where's your bowl?
It's right here. I'll tell you when to stop. If I could tell. Wait. A little bit more. Stop. Obviously.
Oh, somebody threw something at me.
What was it?
Whose
Where?
spoon is this? Oh, it's yours.
Obviously. Wait, how do you know it's mine? Are you cheating?
No, because I got mine is in my hand, and then this one.
I have a feeling. A really, really bad feeling. Really bad.
Somebody's throwing something in my bowl. I just felt something. No.
No more people.
No, y'all need to stop. No.
No.
Hey, no, hey,
Was that
hey.
Was that something? Honestly, because there's nothing falling in mine.
Hey, I felt somebody.
Obviously, that has to be something because there's nothing in mine. Well, I don't feel anything.
Ew! Mine feels horrible.
Mine feels like liquid.
No, somebody's touching mine. Somebody.
I'm not
Who's
touching your
doing
stuff.
this? No one puts nothing in my slime. My slime is going to be perfectly fine. And it's going to be very.
I can't.
Ew, this is liquid? What is this? What is this?
Ew.
Somebody pour Tide in here now! Immediately! It's urgent!
Where's the Tide at? Okay, you want some more?
Yeah, add it all! Add it! Okay, that's enough. That was a little bit too much, I think. Now what goes in my bowl? Cause I got a feeling Mommy's gonna put stuff in our bowl. Like, she's like,
Me?
yeah, cause you always be messing up our stuff. Like, hey, I'm gonna mess up their stuff. Like, what is that?
Not me.
Well, I need some more glue. Urgent, emergency. We need
No.
some glue, emergency.
Hey, Mommy, since we're not putting any more ingredients in our slime, can we open our blindfolds?
Yeah, sure. How they look?
Obviously, this is not bad. Hey, what is this yellow stuff? This yellow stuff.
The glitter.
No.
How did yours come out purple and mine is all orange?
Yours is like vomit.
Look at my arm. Look at my arm.
Look at his. His came out.
He was cheating. You cheater, itty bitty eater.
He's an eater.
Oh, he eats a lot of ranch.
What?
I bet you that mommy put ranch in his bowl.
That one looked good.
Orange.
Look at mine.
No, you see any ranch or nothing. It's not gonna. Comment down below. What happened?
I'ma watch the film, lady.
We're gonna watch the video.
We're gonna see if you put anything in there.
And so Santi was the one that got...
Comments down below.
Yours and Santiago looks like vomit. That's why they put so much glitter in mine. Santiago's look like if he ate trash and vomit. Let's get everything off the table. Alright, guys. We might have to end it here or something, but we're gonna be maybe we might be uploading every week. Comment down below. Hashtag purple slime if you like mine. Hurry up, kiddo. Say your comment.
Don't comment down below mine, because mine doesn't look good.
Comment down below mine.
Mine is not good.
I poured glue out of the bottle?
You did?
I did. Why?
Oh, and you got blue glitter. Ooh.
Yeah, I snatched it from Santi's hand. I think I snatched it from Santi's hand because obviously he was cheating. And he said something about, I want all the blue. So I went in there and snatched his stuff out of his hand. What do you expect me to do, yo? But I might have to do something about
And I got all of these.
I know, I barely had some glitter, and I was like...
Yeah, because something like got the whole thing. Like, what is he doing?
He like, I'm the glitter guy.
No, he's like, I'm a glitter queen.
Well, he didn't get all of the glitter.
Obviously, this is a big mess of a
And somebody was putting something in my bowl.
me. Obviously, it had to be him because I...
And where's your blindfold? Were you wearing it
Yes.
the whole time?
Comment down below if you did.
Comment down below.
No, comment down below because I got a lot.
Hey, this looks like your slide
you-
from the last time.
You need some more Tide?
Yeah, put some more time